You have arrived.
We have arrived. Okay, so we got to find out our camp spot and we will check it out. Here we go. Number 48. Dark woods around us.
It's definitely private.
Definitely private. But it's flattening out. There's the fireplace. Oh, there's another one there. Good. Hey, they left some wood too. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Try to get out, stay out of the mud a little bit. Some people have been tearing it up back here. We can just back up the truck. Alright. We'll have to see what it looks like. Cool. Hi guys, Paul,
Ryan,
Boo Boo. I got a Boo Boo. We're camping. I got cut down the side of my fingers, and we bandaged it up in a very haphazardly way. Got to put some pressure on it for a while. I screwed up. Sorry, I did a Boo Boo. So it is embarrassing, but I did do it, and we have alcohol swabs and band-aids and paper towels and rope and stuff, so that's nice. Boy, I would kill for electrical tape. But we're here on Sand Mountain. This isn't going the way it was supposed to go, is it? No.
Nobody plans on accidents.
Yeah, well, and then the camera blew over while we were trying to unload and broke the tripod, so this is the handheld selfie tripod we're using right now. So now I'm gonna have to hold my hand like this a long time to help the blood get away. You know, but it's a little windy, but it's not bad. It's not too cold. The sun came out, the rain stopped. It's not the worst day in the world. What do you think?
I think we made it here, and I don't want Paul to be uncomfortable and uncared for.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Well, the crow's
We'll
gonna
stay or we won't. Not
Yeah.
sure yet.
Yeah. The raven will take care of us. Yeah. Yeah. The ravens will take care of us. So we're in Sand Mountain Road, and we are in campsite 48 tonight, and this is in the Bald Eagle State Forest, not the state park, but the state forest.
There's a driveway to this campsite.
It's very long. This has definitely been the most secluded of all the campsites. It's kind of like a RV size site though. There's a lot of tire tracks. It's pretty open and stuff, but there's little trails and stuff that go back here. So we definitely need to explore a little bit. We got wood. Things are going good. We got some food. We got some stuff. So that's fine.
It's windy.
It's a little windy, so we'll have to be mindful of that. Other than that, we're going to try to enjoy the night and I'm going to deal with this probably another hour, take it apart, remanage it, see how it is. And if it's okay, we'll stay. And if it's not, maybe we'll wash this out. But we'll see you later.
Bye.
Hi guys. We didn't camp. Let me just tell you that right now. So, you wanna give your opinion of that night?
Well, we got there and it was a really nice site, and we were unpacking, and the first thing I like to do is start a fire, and Paul was on it.
Yeah, and
a little too much.
A little bit too much, and ran a very sharp hatchet down my finger like a moron. It was extremely humbling and embarrassing, and it needed attention. So we gave it attention. Thank you, Ryan.
I thought it best we come home for the night.
And after that, oh, the ice just fell. Awesome. Last ice of the season. We realized we forgot our mess kit. We realized that we didn't have a couple other things. And like, we were just trying to do this kind of haphazardly during a busy work season and stuff like that. And things just didn't feel right, honestly. Do you
and
agree?
Our first aid kit was not big enough.
First aid kit wasn't suitable for the injury. We didn't have a mess kit. We did this with that. Like, there's a couple different things. I can't even mention them all at the same time right off the top of my head, but
it's okay.
It
wasn't right.
It wasn't right. The wind was whipping like you couldn't believe. There was just a couple different things. So as night approached, right? Night was literally falling around us. We decided to pack up. So we had to deflate rather, pack away, put stuff away, to douse the fire as night are falling. No internet. Okay, how the fuck do we get back home?
Yeah, we made it.
We made it.
All good.
It was okay because there was a lot
of
crazy mountain roads back there though. Dirt mountain roads. There was actually a beautiful vista pretty close to the camp on the way back. But we picked up the internet. We got our GPS signal back. Again, just a humbling experience because we weren't prepared medically. And we just, we need to run off our checklist, I guess, a little bit more because I forgot some stuff.
Yeah, our first aid kit was not equipped for what the injury was. So home it was. We'll try again.
We had a comfortable night's sleep. My finger is bandaged and cleaned and not bleeding anymore, which I couldn't say that for the first time. But it's perfectly fine as far as I know. And I'll tell you what, the March trip to Bald Eagle State Forest, campsite 48, big campsite, but I can say without a doubt that epic fail. We failed.
It was our first camp fail.
I
don't think we've turned around and just called it quits.
We just abandoned the camp. You know what?
There was reason. It wasn't just that we were cold and...
I was just going to say we had to do it because there was werewolves with axes.
It was a full moon and he was bleeding.
So it was werewolves with axes.
Big bird, look. I can see a shadow through the forest.
Oh, there's a bunch of huge turkey vultures flying around. It's a beautiful day in Pennsylvania.
It's nice.
We are going to compile I see the big bird right there, yeah. We are going to compile the beginning of the footage that you're already going to see by the time you got to this point. But we figure you deserve a little bit of, hey, we're here, we're going to go camping, and epic fail! So
it's going to be a short camping video.
Epic fail. I'm sorry there's no graphic detail. I know people might want to see that. Sorry. Whatever. I still have my finger, so it wasn't that bad.
That's my first question. Is it still there?
Is it still there? She asked. She's like, is your finger still there? Because I had it shoved into my pants, into my pants, holding it down while I was trying to root for medical stuff. Instead of just saying, hey, I need help.
Help me. Yeah, I hurt myself.
Yeah, and there's blood on the wood pile. That sounds like a Les Stroud from Survivor Man. You do music. Write a song called Blood on the Wood Pile, and you know all about the trials and tribulations of survival camping. But
drips on the pie.
Chicken in the corn. Different. But again, next time, April is going to be much better, and we're going to be much more equipped for anything that comes about. And you know what? The thing is, it's all about learning, right?
Yeah.
It's about learning and experiencing. So What a beautiful day to give this wrap-up video to what a shitty night. So there you go. And it was a really long drive home, but we made it home and safe and sound. And I'd like to thank Ryan again for her determination to make sure that I was okay. I really appreciate it. Without her, I wouldn't be anywhere near where I am today. And anyway, this is a humble Paul saying cheers.
And Ryan saying get outdoors. And
Oh.
be safe.
Be safe.
Be prepared.
If you get hurt, go the hell home and take care of it.
Be prepared.
Be prepared. Hashtag be prepared.
Be prepared.
And remember, epic fail.
It's okay. You're allowed to fail every once in a while. Just not all the time.
Not all the time. Not
Come
all the time.
on.
Yeah, it's fine. Hey,
All
but
right.
350 subscribers almost.
Not too shabby.
it's not all
for us two
fails.
little folk.
Yeah, we're growing. And we're growing together, and you're along on the ride. So cheers and get outdoors.
Bye.